Hey guys, welcome back. I look a mess. So today I'm at home with my little baby bum. He had a horrible fever yesterday and today. So I'm gonna take advantage while he's feeling a little bit better right now and go into my closet, straighten it up a little bit, reorganize some things. It's not horrible, but I need to get rid of some stuff. But I do want to show you guys our newest addition to our family. His name is Jody. Always lurking around our house. I absolutely love this thing. So the brand is called Dinky and it's a voice-activated robot vacuum. You can control it through the app that you download on your phone. When you get this, you also can control it through Alexa and Google Home. There are 4 different cleaning modes that you can set this to. So the price is only $259, which I think is one of the best prices out there for as much stuff as this thing can do. Of course, I'm going to have a discount code for you guys, so don't forget to check the description box. So the app is like the hub for the vacuum, and it's really easy to use. It just shows you like the remaining power that's left, how long it's been cleaning, the surface area that it's cleaned so far. You can turn it to all of the different modes of cleaning. You can send it back to its charger. And of course, after you name your vacuum, you can change it in the app. So I thought I'd show you guys our crockpot meal of the night. We're gonna have pulled pork sliders. This is what we're using to put on our pork. So we pretty much just got like a pork shoulder or whatever, and we threw it in a crock pot. So there was like 3 packages in here. A dry rub and then a cooking sauce. So you put the rub on and then you pour the sauce over, and then once it's done cooking, then you put on the finishing sauce and then you shred it and you eat sliders. Okay, so here's our closet. I'm just gonna give you a quick overview. We're gonna be moving in the summer, so we're not gonna do anything special to this closet, but it's pretty much a basic builder grade closet. So you have this wire shelving that goes all the way around, and you have another row in here, down like on this side. I have this side, and my husband has pretty much this on down, and he hangs his pants up. All of his shoes here, and then all of my shoes, well, his shoes, and then my shoes, and purses, some more shoes down here, random stuff right here. So right now, I'm just gonna take everything out of my closet. I'm only gonna be doing my stuff. Brandon's stuff has already been decluttered. He's really organized, and he's real simple, so I don't even have to mess with his side, which I'm really happy about. But my stuff, I need to go through one by one and just decide what I need to donate. After that, I'm going to attempt to color coordinate. The majority of my hangers are that white felt with the gold hook. I am in need of hangers. Hopefully I can get rid of a lot so that I don't need to go buy any more hangers, because right now I've got like store hangers on here and some wooden hangers and just probably some wire hangers in here. Oh, yep, look at that wire hanger. Girl, bye.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever seemed to be over. I saw her,
I did get rid of a good amount. I'm trying to still go through stuff. I'm going to lay everything down, color coordinate all of the clothes.
I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
So this has turned into a full-on closet clean out. I've gotten rid of more shoes and more clothes, winter, summer, spring, fall clothes. All of my dresses are here, clothes that I need to put on hangers that are clean, a mess.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that
So we're making some progress. I actually moved this little white thing from here to there, and I'm using this for my boots. This does seem a little bit lighter. I still need to change out some of the hangers. Some of them actually broke because I was stepping on stuff. And I like this better. Purses right here, and I still got these like bigger tote bags and handbags up here that I probably should go through.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep.
Alright, so here's my huge trash bag full of everything I got rid of, and it's full. Full of clothes, accessories, shoes. I'm rid of more than I thought I was going to get rid of, so I'm happy about that.
You got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind without warning. You digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote.
So now that the closet is finally done, I feel so much better in here. I feel like it's opened up a lot. Just from switching those shoes from the back wall to the side wall, I feel like that just really did it. And I just put my jackets and hoodies and vests on that back wall. I moved my little hamper, and then I straightened up my husband's side of the closet. I didn't get rid of any of his things. And we actually have a shoe closet downstairs that holds a lot of our like everyday shoes, but the main goal was to declutter, and I feel like I made a huge dent, so I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.